In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can ignore calls from specific people without blocking them. When they call, you can either enable it to go through or not. You can receive calls, but they won't appear on your iPhone screen. You won't get notifications that they called unless you check in call logs. To do this, simply head to Phone Settings. On the Settings page, head to this option of Focus. You will then tap on this plus icon. Select on Custom. Name your focus and also add an icon. Tap on Continue to proceed. On this page, tap right here on People. Head to this option of Silence Notifications from. Tap right here to add that specific person you don't want to receive calls from. Select them from your contacts list. Tap on Done. Still tap on the exact selected contact. On this option of Allow calls from silenced people, make sure to disable this option. Whenever you enable the focus mode, you won't receive calls from them, but you will see the missed calls in the call logs. This allows you to manage interruptions and prioritize your time effectively while maintaining professional. That's how easy it is to ignore calls without blocking them on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.